Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to create the Proforma invoice for your customer on Zoho Books, then this video is for you. First, you have to do is you have to log into zohobooks.com, and you can go to the books.zoho.com and you have to log into your account. Then simply click on sales at the left side options here. Now from here you can find codes, so you have to simply click on codes, and you can find all of your codes in this section. Or if you don't have any deals or codes, then you can create a new codes by simply click on it, or you can find a new button at the top right corner. Now simply click on that, and first you have to add the customer name, then the quote number that you can find. This is the quote number that is automatically generated by the Zoho Books, or you can actually change it by simply click on this gear icon. Then you can add the reference, but it's not mandatory. Then quote date, you have to set the date, then the expiry date, set the expiry date from here. Then the salesperson, you can choose the salesperson if you don't have any salesperson, so you can left it blank. Then the project name, you have to choose the project name from here, so select customer to associate project here. Then you have to add some subject about your project, then enter the item and the quantity, the rate, tax, and total amount from here. You can add more items by simply click on add new row, so you can find a new row to add new item here. So also you can add items in bulk. Then you can find the subtotal from here and total amount from here. After creating that, you can add some customer notes for your customers, or then enter some terms and conditions if you have. So then you can upload the files to code, and then you, after completing all of this, you must need to enter all the details in totally correctly to avoid any type of hassle. So double check all the information that you have input here. Then you have to simply click on save and send, and that's pretty much currently you have just created a Proforma invoice for your customers, and you can find all the invoices from here. You can find all the invoices from here, so that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.